Past indefinite tense MCQs Part 2 26. I dashed a novel last week. Read. 27. She dashed tea for everyone. Made. 28. He dashed in the pool. Swam. 29. They dashed the news on TV. Heard. 30. We dashed our grandparents last Sunday. Visited. 31. I dashed a new bicycle. Bout. 32. She dashed quickly. Ran. 33. He dashed his shoes before entering. Removed. 34. The baby dashed all night. Cried. 35. We dashed dinner at 9 p.m. Had. 36. They dashed the mountain. Climbed. 37. I dashed to the song twice. Listen. 38. She dashed the painting. Admired. 39. He dashed the lamp. Broke. 40. We dashed the tickets yesterday. Booked. 41. They dashed the treasure. Found. 42. I dashed his call. Missed. 43. She dashed at the joke. Laughed. 44. He dashed early in the morning. Woke. 45. We dashed a flat in Lahore. Rented. 46. I dashed in the marathon. Ran. 47. She dashed a lot during vacation. Traveled. 48. They dashed me a letter. Sent. 49. He dashed football well. Played. 50. I dashed a snake in the forest. Saw. I hope you like this video. Comment how